Okay, what's going on everyone? So I'm going to run you through some of the cool features that comes with the Power Director app. So if you click on that, here's a project I'm working on right now. But before I get into that, I want to show you some of the features or some of the things that comes with it outside of doing projects. It comes with a tutorial and tips area, and it's pretty good, man. Like, it'll run you through like how to get started with Power Director, adjust video speed, apply chroma key, um, pan and zoom kin, Burns effect, record a voiceover, trim and split, produce a video. And if you look at the bottom here, there's a button that you click that takes you to the YouTube channel, and they have more in-depth videos, playlists, things like that. So let's go back. So if we go back to my project, and this is nothing special, I just recorded my backyard. Now I want to show you some of the cool features that comes with it though. You click on intro, you can pick, how different introduction videos to add onto your video clip before you start. So if we go to, let's say, nature, click on nature, scroll down here, you have a giraffe, you have some leaves, things like that. You have water life. It has a lot of cool features. We'll click on, let's see, let's click on the bridge one right here. So you can add the video timeline. And you push play. Now, it already has like music on there, but the cool thing about this is, like, if you wanted to use this, you can edit the music. You can get rid of that song if you don't like it. All you gotta do is click on it once, hit the trash can button, and then you can edit this down here. Like, you can totally erase this if you wanted to, and you can change it. Or if you like that and you just want to edit the wording or the words in there, you can just change it to boom. You hit that. You can change the text color as well. Things like that. Or you can keep it the same. Also, if you go to graphics color, you can change the border color, things like that too. So it's pretty cool. I will show you, and then you can also move this around wherever you want it. Same with this one, get natural. You can do the same thing, change the text color. You also can change the font. If you can see down here where I'm scrolling, you can change the font. Let's say we don't like that font. We can go with, say we'll go with Cabin Sketch. And then say we don't like that color. Hit edit text. Whoops, excuse me. You hit T designer. And then you can change the color text if you want it to be black, blue, things of that nature. So it's a pretty cool app. There's so much that goes in, there's so much that is involved in this app that I will not be able to cover everything in one video. But I'm just trying to give you guys a quick run through of the features of this app that I use. Once again, the features, they are it does have a free feature list, but if you want the extended package, the premium package, you have to pay. It's like $40 a month. I want to show you another thing too right here. If you click on this, you can add how you want to transition into the next screen. Like, I'll show you guys real quick. We'll say we'll do fade, right? And say we'll add some music. You click on the music icon, and you go down to, let's say we want to do, I'll go to my downloaded music so I can show you guys. We'll do this one. And I'll show you guys how it works now. Now, if you don't want no volume, say on the video that I took of me videotaping my backyard, because you can hear my footsteps in the video, you can click on the clip, click on the audio, and then you can affect the volume. You can have it on 0. Another thing too, say you don't want the music the entire clip. What you can do, and this part's kind of a hassle. If anyone knows how to do it better, you know, please feel free to comment and let me know. You have to go to the end of the music clip, click on it, and drag it all the way back. And say, like, I don't want that song to go all the way through. Or say I don't want that song to go past the intro. I just bring the clip back to where I want it to end. And then also, too, I want to show you this as well. You click on the music, or you click on the volume icon for this music clip, and then you can adjust the volume as well. And another thing that's cool about this, you can adjust if you want it to fade out. And I like using fade out because I feel like it transitions better into the other clip if I'm not trying to extend the song the entire length of the video. And I'll show you. I'll play it once without the fade out, and then I'll play it again with the fade out. Hold on one second. I forgot to tell you about this too. When you're trying to play through the whole thing, you have to double click, because if you don't, it will just play where you edited at. See how it just stops abruptly? So what we want to do is we want to extend that a little bit. Honestly, a little past that that block that you see where I put that fade out in. And then what we'll do is you click the volume and then hit fade out, and you'll be able to hear the difference. It'll be more of a cleaner transition. And you see how it fades out. So that's another cool feature about this app. Let's see. Is there anything else I want to show you guys? Let's see. I think for this video tutorial, that will be it on the time that I have on the social media apps that I want to share this on. So I'll do this in a multiple series so you guys can see the benefit of this app. And once again, you can download it for free. You can use some of the features for free, but it's very limited. But if you pay the $40 a month premium, you get unlimited access and you get tons of features. So it really all just depends on what you're trying to do. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like this video on whatever social media platform you're seeing this on. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Don W. Miller. And subscribe and like my channel, or subscribe to my channel and like my video.